Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Penny, and today we're diving into the topic of natural detoxification. Detoxifying your body doesn't always require extreme measures or complicated cleanses. 1. Our first natural detoxifier is a classic, lemon water. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which supports the body's natural detoxification process. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins from your system. Plus, it's refreshing and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. 2. Next up on our list are leafy greens like spinach, kale, and chard. These greens are packed with chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier that helps your body eliminate toxins. They also contain fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. You can enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. 3. Ginger is a powerful root with amazing detoxifying properties. It helps improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and supports liver function. You can make ginger tea, add it to your stir-fries, or include it in your detox smoothies. Its unique flavor adds a zing to your recipes while cleansing your body naturally. 4. Garlic isn't just for adding flavor to your dishes, it's also a fantastic natural detox food. It contains sulfur compounds that support the liver in detoxifying harmful substances. 5. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are not only delicious but also excellent detoxifiers. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which help your body eliminate toxins and improve digestion. Berries are versatile, you can eat them on their own, add them to yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. 6. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and detoxifying spice. It supports liver function and helps your body eliminate toxins. You can use turmeric in curries, soups, or golden milk. Its vibrant color and health benefits make it a must-have in your kitchen. 7. Avocado is not only a creamy and delicious fruit but also a great natural detoxifier. It contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports the liver in detoxifying harmful substances. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins. You can enjoy it on toast, in salads, or as guacamole. 8. Green tea is a popular beverage that offers numerous health benefits, including detoxification. It is loaded with antioxidants and catechins, which help flush out toxins from your body. Green tea also boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. Swap your regular tea or coffee with green tea for a refreshing and detoxifying change. 9. Last but certainly not least, we have the simplest and most essential natural detoxifier, water. Staying hydrated is crucial for the body's detoxification process. Water helps flush out toxins, supports digestion, and keeps your skin glowing. Make sure to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to support your body's natural detox mechanisms. And there you have it, 9 powerful foods that can help you naturally detoxify your body. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet, along with a healthy lifestyle, can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which natural detox foods you love incorporating into your diet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.